Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are circling back to Walmart for another preview from Free Assembly, and we are literally going through everything: jeans, tops, sweaters, dresses, outerwear, even some hats. If you are looking at your summer closet and you're thinking, I am ready for fall and winter, this one is definitely for you. So starting off with jeans, I have been into a darker rinse lately, and we've talked about Free Assembly's high-rise skinnies before, but they released this beautiful dark rinse that I thought was so gorgeous. Super comfortable fit, you guys. Free Assembly's jeans are amongst the best, especially at this price point. Actually, you know what? Just the best in general. They are darn good jeans. Beautiful skinny leg, obviously, no fraying, no distressing, nothing. And then it does have the functional pockets in the back. I mean, what's not to love about a great pair of dark rinse jeans? They're so perfect for dressing up and just going with like an elevated casual style. So to style them, I went with a couple different tops. Now, admittedly, this next one might be out of stock. I had been eyeing this kind of like mid-summer. I've been wanting to add a navy sweater to my collection. I went through a phase where half my closet was navy, and then now I'm at a point where nothing is navy, and I love this color. This has a beautiful fit, and I love the fact that it's 100% cotton and it's also cropped. I love me a cropped sweater. That way I can easily do a French tuck. I can show off a beautiful belt. This is so cozy, you guys. Again, the cotton just feels not stiff whatsoever. It's very soft and broken in. I absolutely love it. And if you guys are new to my channel, I've been in the process of flipping synthetics out of my closet in favor of natural fibers. So I've been so excited to see how many 100% cotton options Free Assembly has been coming out with, which is what we're going to talk about today, including this next top here. Now, I love me just a white top with any pair of jeans. This is such a great top to just dress up or dress down. It has a beautiful weight to it. It is slightly longer in the back, but not enough to be able to wear it with leggings. Nonetheless, it's just a classic. I mean, what can't you do with a top like this? It does run big, so you can absolutely size down. I went with an extra small and had plenty of room. Sweater I want to show you is a turtleneck, and I've mentioned before that I tend to be averse to wearing turtlenecks just because I feel like I'm being strangled. Not sure if I'm going to keep this, but I wanted to get my hands on it primarily. That is the front. Primarily because it's an option that you can easily wear with jeans, but you can also wear it with leggings, which I love dressing up a pair of leggings. This is another 100% cotton option. It does have a dropped shoulder just to give it a more effervescent vibe. And then this color, this beautiful neutral tone. Oh my gosh. I think that this has so much potential for a chilly fall day or even like a freezing winter day. Probably one of the most comical items that I received this time around is a pair of leggings. I just mentioned the fact that I am a huge proponent of dressing up a pair of leggings. Oh my gosh, you can make them look so chic. So while Free Assembly did release a pair of leggings that is not 100% cotton, I still wanted to get my hands on them just to see what they were like. They're very small. You guys, I pulled these out of the box and I was like, oh my Lord. Could not even pull these past my knees. So keep that in mind. They run way, way, way small. Although I couldn't get these on, I'm still gonna show you the outfit ideas I had in mind using the leggings that I own. Nonetheless, if these had fit, I probably wouldn't have kept them just because it actually feels like a legging material that you would wear to work out. It's got some sheen to it, which I don't prefer. They do categorize this as a 7/8 legging, which basically means it's a little shorter, not quite a crop, but a little shorter, so it's going to sit a little above your ankle. So obviously with a pair of leggings, you also want to be able to wear them for an athleisure vibe, or if you are indeed working out or just lazing around the house. So I did grab a hoodie. Now this is another item that is not 100% cotton. It's actually organic cotton and a blend of recycled polyester. I'm seeing this combination pop up everywhere. If you guys missed my last Target video, there was an item in there that was also cotton and recycled polyester. Now, while this is very comfortable on, again, love the beautiful neutral color, it has a dolman sleeve. If that doesn't bother you, I think this is definitely worth checking out because the weight of it is really scrumptious. Like, this is what you want to have on your body on a cool day. Plus, I love the way it looks under a puffer vest with a super cute pair of kicks and also a great pair of leggings. It's just like one of those closet staples that you can't live without. Okay, so moving right along to dresses, I've been on a quest to add more mini dresses to my fall and winter wardrobe because I love the idea of wearing them with tights and also a great pair of knee-high or thigh-high boots. This has a square neckline, which I love. There's a little bit of ruffle detailing right across the top into the shoulders. It is smocked across the bodice. We've talked about smocking before. It's always your best friend because if you are blessed on top, it's going to give you more room, and if you're not blessed on top, it's going to conform to your body. But it has this sweet little ruffle detail at the end of the skirt. It does have a 3/4 length sleeve, which is ruffled and elasticized, and that square neckline continues in the back. I just think this is a really dear option that also is great for layering, especially under something as simple as a black cardigan. One of the colors I have been seeing popping up everywhere for the fall and winter season is a warm tone chestnut brown that is so gorgeous. So I was excited to get this sweater. Now this is another 100% cotton style, super broken in and soft. It's so comfortable. Love the cable knit detailing. That's so quintessentially fall. Again, this is slightly cropped, and I do love the fact that they went with that thicker cuff that also continues at the bottom of the sweater. It's just a nice classic style, but for the fact that this lattice detailing that runs vertical all along the garment, especially down the chest, it runs right along your boobs. So basically, whatever bra you have underneath is like peeking through to the point where it's like blaring at people. Oh my gosh, it's impossible to ignore. In fact, when I had this on, I was trying it on, it was like, hey world, look at my chest. We'll see how it looks over a cami. Maybe that'll help kind of like soften the blow. I have another pair of jeans to show you. This is another variation of the high-rise skinny. It's just a lighter rinse that also has some distressing. If you guys have been watching my channel, you know that historically I've just been adverse to adding distressed jeans to my collection, and for whatever reason this fall I'm totally into it. What I like about this pair is that the distressing is kept to the knees. That's the only place you find it, so there are no rips, tears anywhere else. It is a nice clean hem, no scissor or fraying down there. And then they do have the functional pockets in the back. And this pair and also that other pair are primarily cotton with just like a tiny smidge of spandex. So you get a really, really comfortable fit. think that is interesting about this 100% cotton flannel is the fact that it has these very high slits on the side. So if you are not wearing a pair of high-rise jeans, you are going to get major draft. It is a thicker cotton. It doesn't feel as broken in as some other styles we've tried. But again, like, can we even survive the fall season without a flannel in our closets? I do not think so. Okay guys, so winding down for this latest preview from Free Assembly, I did grab a hat. I've talked before about the fact that I've been looking to add a black hat to my collection, and unfortunately I can't wear wool. It drives my skin crazy, so I do have to default to a felt hat. And I loved this style when I saw it online. It has this cute little ribbon detailing. The problem is she is extremely wide brimmed, so I kind of feel like I'm wearing like a prairie bonnet when I have this on. It also tends to obstruct the vision a little bit, so I'm not sure this is the one for me. But if you are looking for a very wide brimmed felt hat, this might be one for you to check out. It is very comfortable on, and the swoosh is very dramatic, so if that is your style, you might really like this girl. And then I also have a jacket to show you. For spring and fall, Free Assembly's jackets have been phenomenal. Just a classic lightweight cotton jacket. It is not lined, and the cotton is also a really nice weight. So if you tend to overheat and you don't like big bulky jackets, this is probably the one for you. It does have these cute little pockets in the front, and then it does have some cinching at the waist to give you more of a tailored look. It's a very nice coat that basically is going to stand the test of time. This is something you can have in your closet forever, and it is never going to go out of style. Okay guys, so that'll do it for the latest and greatest from Free Assembly. And I gotta tell you, what I love about this line is not only do they offer a ton of 100% cotton options, but a lot of them are organic cotton, and the price points are absolutely divine. I will have everything listed and linked for you down below, but in any event, thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!